the source of the River Ethiope. You hear me so?
Yes.
The person who found here is Onya. He's a hunter. He came here. He viewed that there's water around here.
Yeah.
That is why people come around to live within the river here. Then the name of this river is Onoku. Onoku. This tree you are seeing here has been here for centuries. Here without number, we met it here. Even our forefathers met it here.
So guys, this is the source of River Ethiope, the river that leads to Eku, Abraka, Salubi, and Sapele. This is the source. As you can see, the tree you are seeing on this video, it was under this tree that the water came from. So guys, na here for come. Itina menangwanure. River Ethiope. Oh yeah, na make we hear from some of the elders when we see for here.